Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I'm going to make another very beautiful and small necklace design. Very easily, you can also make this design. Please watch the video till the end. I started the video with one 6mm off-white pulse. Then we took another 6mm off-white pulse. Then add 10mm red color crystal. After adding 9 pieces of 6mm pearls in a row, we will add one red color 10mm crystal. Then again add 9 pieces of 6mm pearls in a row. Again a 10mm red. In this long chain, I put total crystal of 5 pieces and 6mm pearls. There are 48 pieces. When the chain is finished, then we will continue to come back again. Again we will use 9 pieces 6mm pearls, but look carefully. Here we are making the chain between the pearls after the crystal and the pearls before the crystal. This is how we will make the side chain using 9 off-white 6mm pearls. Continue the same process to make this necklace. Please give us a like, comment for this cute little design. Requesting all of my friends who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you like this design, please share with your friends. Then we will add jump ring to attach the tassel. Hope you like this beautiful design too, and you must also try this necklace design. Thank you so much for watching our full video. Bye bye dear.